Hi guys! Babe, my lipstick. So pink. I'm wearing the Colourpop lipsticks in the shade Poppin. Naalala ko siya guys. I was browsing my pictures kasi gusto ko ipakita kay Dan yung picture niya nung first kami nagkita na he was so skinny. And then I saw the picture of me wearing this when I was browsing. And I was like, oh, asan yung lipstick na yun? Hinanap ko siya and I found it. It's really nice, guys. Poppin yung shade niya. Colourpop lipsticks. Punta kami Kohl's. Bibili lang ako ng ingredients para siomai. Magluluto ako ng siomai, guys. We'll see. And then, oh, we will buy rice cooker as well. Napagod na si Dan kakahugas ng rice cooker ko, guys. Kasi dumidikit yung rice. So, bibili kami ng rice cooker na non-stick. Yun. And then, what else? Punta kami Kohl's, bibili kami ng ingredients para sa siomai. And then, we will go to the zoo today. Kasama si Kat, tsaka si Love. So, yan yung ganap. Gusto ko yung lipstick ko, guys. Do you like it? Ano rin siya? Parang nakaka-uplift siya ng energy yung lipstick ko. Babe, do you wanna wear this lipstick?
Yeah.
Because you look grumpy now.
Yeah.
You look grumpy. Winning. You were expecting how much? Like 30 bucks? That's what your sister said.
I would have paid 100.
Oh, shut it. This is non-stick. It says non-stick.
Yeah, it's the same. That's why our sticks, this is worn off.
Ah.
Have you noticed?
No, haven't noticed.
Really?
So what are we gonna do with ours?
Throw it in the bin.
I thought our original one is not non-stick. So it was non-stick, but just worn
that'd
off.
be enough for us.
Yeah.
Big enough for us, yeah.
And then it has a steamer. I was actually planning to get a steamer for my siomai.
You get like
A proper steamer? Now we have heaps of stuff in the kitchen now. I don't wanna.
Too big.
I don't know. Is that a rice cooker?
It's a rice cooker.
No, I don't want that big. This is alright. 14 bucks. Bargain, babe. Oh, this is a cool looking one. Oh, slow cooker. That looks really cool though. In white? I like that in white.
Yeah, as a digital rice cooker.
Digital? No, we don't need that. You're pretty good at cooking rice, babe.
This is what we need.
You're pretty good at cooking rice. Are you a rice man? You look grumpy as usual. Hey, steamer, can we look? What's this? On clearance. Wow.
Now look at the steamer, babe. Broken though, like that. That's not the set there.
Yung gusto ko sana yung insert lang, pero sabi ni Dan ito daw malaki. Kasi meron na siyang lid, tapos meron na siyang tatlo.
When you put stuff in the microwave, Papa rested and split everywhere.
$1.50. Do you want?
Yeah, get it there.
Okay.
Turn it to half.
Sige. Ito, ipakita ko sa inyo yung rice cooker namin ha. Nakapatong kayo sa bagong rice cooker. Ito siya oh. Na ano na, yung non-stick na layer niya, nawala na guys sa kakahugas. Napapagod na si Dan maghugas. Kasi kinukutkot niya, napapagod siya kasi siya naghuhugas, diba? Buti na lang, mura lang yung rice cooker. $14 lang. Bumili din kami nito para kapag nag-init ka ng pagkain sa microwave, ika-cover mo lang to para hindi, like, you know, mag-splatter. Splatter ba? Tama ba? Para hindi din madumi agad yung microwave. And it's only $1.50. So, why not? Microwave food cover. Nice. And then, I got ingredients for my siomai. Gagawin ko to bukas kasi off ko din bukas. I have a long weekend. Off ko sana Friday. Kaya lang may ganap nung Friday. Kaya, pinamove ko yung off ko. Sa ngayon, oh my gosh, what was that? Merong ito lang pala. Takot naman ako dun. Akala ko kung ano na. Ito lang pala yung yan yung brown. Akala ko kasi uod eh. Tagal namin to nakita, yung wonton wrapper. Nasa siya, pasta section. And malapit sa mga gulay. Hirap niya hanapin kasi naghanap kami sa freezer, wala. Tapos, wala din dun sa dairy na area. Pero nandun siya sa pasta na area. Nice. I like this. Okay. I-ano ko lang to, ipuput away ko lang tong mga to. What's this? Ay! Yung grapes! Nagpunta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan nung Friday. Merong grapes yung kapitbahay ng mama niya, guys. Sobrang daming grapes. Tapos yung mga yung mga branch ng grape, parang, ano, nangangapit bahay. So, gumaganon sa ano nila, sa fence nila. Tapos, sinabihan na naman sila ng kapitbahay na, like, you know, feel free na kumuha ng grapes kung gusto nyo. So, yun, ang dami. Kaya, namitas kami, and nagdala kami ng grapes. See? There. Marami na. Masarap siya. Fresh na fresh. Yeah. So, yun. In-Instagram story ko to eh. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, simply_rhaze. Kung may mga maingay, naka-on yung dishwasher, tsaka naka-on din yung laundry, kaya may maingay dito, may maingay doon. Yeah, malapit na matapos yung laundry, so isasampay namin siya before kami umalis. Kasi baka kalimutan namin siyang isampay na naman, ulitin na naman. Tubig at saka kuryente, aksaya. Nakahanap ako ng corn flour. My gosh, lagi ko ito hinahanap. Lagi namin siyang hindi nakikita. Pero nakahanap na ako. Coles brand. Sobrang mura lang ito. $1.50 I think. $1.50 for this? Corn flour bread?
Yeah.
Yeah, cheap. Okay, I don't think we're supposed to... Oh, we can put this in the fridge but not in the freezer. The one from wrapper. I'm excited. Lulutuin ko yan bukas. Munda sa akin yung shumay na yan. Oh, we have 1 carrot. Why did I get a carrot?
Brought it yesterday. Cold rolls.
Ay, cold rolls pala, babe. I'll make you cold rolls tomorrow.
No, make wonton tomorrow. You can get wonton in the freezer, can't you? You make wonton and cold rolls tomorrow.
Yeah, no, I was gonna make cold rolls for you to bring to work. Do you want me to do that?
I thought we were going to have the tea one night. Or not?
Ah, tea.
Oh, you can make it for work. Make it for work if you want.
Yeah. Babe. I'm your wife, babe. Babe, I'm a good wife.
Yeah, good enough.
Hindi na kasi ako nakaka-prepare ng ano niya, lunch niya. Di ba guys, noon nung wala pa akong work, nag-prepare ako ng lunch niya everyday talaga. Tapos ngayon hindi na. Mawawala si Danny Boy. Kaya siya tumataba kasi kung saan-saan lang siya bumibili ng mga pagkain. Alam niyo naman yung mga nabibili sa kung saan-saan, hindi ganun healthy. Diba? Burger, mga ganun-ganun. Ay, nako babe. Kung kaya ko lang gawin yan lahat, babe, gagawin ko talaga yan sa'yo. Kaya lang wala ng oras. Ayun na din naman kasi magbaon ng rice. Like, for example, nagluluto ako guys sa gabi, diba? Like, for example, adobo. Yung adobo, binabaon ko yung the next day. Si Dan, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya ng mga leftover na food. Inuubos niya agad-agad. Ayaw niya ng leftover. Gusto niya the next day bago. Lalo na kapag baon, ayaw niya ng leftover na baon. Ang bongga talaga ng Kmart. Ang mura lang ito guys. $1.50. Akala nga. Tapos yung mga binili ko mga damit pang bata kahapon, bongga talaga yun. Ready na naman ako. Ito na yung outfit ko papuntang zoo. Mag-ano lang ako, mag-hat. Tapos sabi na Dan, bring a jacket kasi it might be cold. So I will. Pero I'm just wearing my jeans na I got from 10. I think nakasale to guys. Gustong gusto ko to. Wait, hello. Nyori dun. Sorry. Yan. Ito siya. See? Kailangan ko lang i-roll up. Kasi ganyan naman talaga sa lahat ng jeans ko. Pero yeah. Ganda siya. Dito na kami guys sa zoo, kaya lang wala pang parking. Sobrang busy. Tingnan nyo to. Sumusunod lang kami sa kanila kasi sila hindi pa din nakahanap ng parking. Ay, may lumabas. Ay, hala. Yun, may lumabas isa. Okay. So, how many cars are we following by 4? 3?
Just 2 now.
Okay, 2 now. So, okay. We're the third one. Dito na kami guys sa labas ng zoo. So, nandun yung entrance. Pero dito kami, hinintay namin si Kat at saka si Neil. Kasi naglalakad na daw sila pupunta dito. Meron kaming, free kami lahat guys. Free kami lahat. Tinanong lang ni Dan kung, hindi ko alam actually kung paano ginawa ni Dan. Meron siyang mga tickets. So, we can use those tickets next time.
We won't go next time. We won't go for years.
Yeah, but like, just saying, we have those tickets that are free. Meron na sana kaming voucher na free. How many kids?
What's
3
that?
kids?
3 kids and 2 adults.
3 kids, tapos 2 adults. Tapos yung pupunta ngayon, diba, 6 kami na adults. Kasi si Kat, tsaka si Lovely kasama. Pero binigay nila sa amin ng free. Hindi ko alam kung paano ginawa ni Dan. Tapos meron pa kaming free food. Nakakaloka, free itong ating trip today, guys. See? Dito na yung aming coupons. Tapos, meron ako yung bracelet. Nice. Si Lovely naghahanap pa ng parking. Good luck kasi pahirapan talaga yung parking. I think they have like an event going on. Maybe you just ask and they will give it to you for free today. No?
I had to give him, so I gave him the thing.
Finally! Tumigil na yung ulan, guys. Oh, tingnan yung papa-OTD niya. Pak, guys! Tumigil na yung ulan. Hi, ate.
Waterproof yung makeup mo ngayon, guys.
It's bright.
Bright.
It's good. I like bright. Punta na kami sa zoo, guys. Kanina pa kami, naghihintay. Kasi hindi, okay lang naman. Kumain pa kami, tapos naglaro ang mga bata.
Honey, yung bubot niya, nakita na, lubot mo.
Ang lubot ni Mark. Asan si Kap?
Kasi, isang araw lang kayo. Sunday night
Oo. Okay lang. At least
lang,
nandun
at sa
sila.
kahapon.
Para hindi ka din ma-miss yung work mo. There you go. Dito na kami, guys. Finally. Kapasok na kami. Yes. Toilet tayo, Day. Ang ganda ng ano niya, guys. Oh. Yung tripod niya. Ang liit-liit. Noon, ang laki. Ngayon, ang liit naman. Over naman sa liit.
Perfect size na.
Ano bang? Anong tawag niyan?
Yung gorilla?
No, ito. Yung case.
Ano lang, case ano lang.
Case? Hindi, ano pa? Sa ano niya yan inano? Sa eBay na.
eBay.
Ang cute, guys. Oh. Ihi tayo, Day. You go jump, babe. Oh my gosh, she looks scary. What animal is that? Who are you? What are you? Maybe elephant at saka baboy, Day, na ano?
kangaroo.
Mutant ng elephant at saka baboy. Mutant ng elephant at baboy.
Hi!
Oh, tingnan mo.
Ipit mo na, Day.
Hello. Hey. Hello. Para siyang malaking daga. Ay, di bye.
So nice.
Have a look at the face like.
Ang galing mo mag-anggulo-anggulo
Si Zebra to. May laruan si si Baby V, sabi ko zebra.
Bakit kita man na zebra?
Ang boba ng ninang niya.
This is the bear with that big teeth.
No, sabi ni Love, the bear with the this daw. The bear with the this. This, oh. Ano yan? Panda. Kayo, alam niyo yan. The bear with the this. Danny?
Yung mahabang
Babe.
animal, ano yan?
Zebra. Babe! Babe! Wala, hindi na ako pinapansin. Danyo! The bear with the this. Ayaw talaga.
Suplado, guys.
Ayaw, grumpy. The bear with the this. What is that?
Panda bear, that's it.
It's koala.
It's koala bear. Ay, sorry naman, Mark. Mark, sorry, Mark. Wish daw.
Hindi tayo pwede dito eh.
Yan pala yun. Oo nga.
Brioche, please.
Hindi pwede yung mga Pilipina dito.
Hindi yan palalabas na.
Hala, dun, nandun na din.
Akala ko yun. Nakalabas na yung panda.
Ito yung sikat na panda. Funi. Funi. Ang pangalan nitong Funi. Kapag may nangyari sa pandang to, guys, sikat na sikat siya. Inaano siya sa news sa Australia.
Ito?
As Inday, oo.
Masikat pa
Sa Adelaide. Oo, masikat pa sa the YouTubers. Totoo, Day. Kapag may nangyari sa panda, alam lang ng lahat. Oo, kasi ina-advertise talaga nila.
tayo sa kanya, guys.
May YouTube channel ata tong pandang to. Asan na? Oh, ayaw magpakita. Ayan na, nandun. Oh, ang cute.
Si Wangwang.
Funi?
Wangwang.
Sabi Funi.
Ayun, may name si Wangwang.
Aww.
Ay, yung super zoom na lang na.
Bye. Ang cute. Ang cute. Tiger. Sumatran tiger. Where is he?
All the way at the back.
You
can see like him laying down his head.
Oh yeah, right there. Ang layo, guys.
Hindi na makita.
Doon siya, oh. Ang layo. Lapit ka dito, tiger. There you go. Ito na yung hinahanap ni ate, guys. Ito na yung last stop. Hinahanap ni ate, snake. Is it eh? Snake?
Yeah.
That's fine. Okay lang naman, Day.
Oh, you gotta be this.
Oh, ito na yung snake. Oh, ito na, Day. Ate, that's what you're looking for. Oh my God.
Can you see that?
Para lang siyang ano, tae. Para lang siyang malaking ano, tubol.
Tubol lang yan siya, guys. Tubol lang.
Para lang siyang tae, Day. Tingnan mo.
Kaya ka natatakot yan. Kasi
Ayan.
parang lang siyang popo.
Ayan yung mga nakakatakot, yung maliit. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh.
Ano yung venomous yan dyan, yung green?
Feeling ko.
Oh, he's out of here.
Python yan? Green python?
Green python.
Asan yung wala? Olay. Oh, ang cute! Ah, turtle. Dito kami guys sa Pepper Lunch. First time ko dito guys. Masarap dito.
Have you been here before?
Yeah.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
It's affordable.
Oh, it looks good.
Good.
Actually, looks really good.
Oh,
Yeah, it does. Is this like Japanese stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Oh, Japanese food.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, that one looks good. Ano paborito mo dito, Day?
This the beef and the burger curry.
Yeah.
Is that the beef?
Chicken and hamburger.
The beef and burger. We usually collect the
Ito?
cards here, and then the next time we go, it's free.
Ah,
Yeah, that one. Like the
Wala,
yolk.
we haven't been here.
nah, this looks good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
We have like this in the Philippines. It's expensive though, like 400.
Same, pepper lunch talaga. Ah, okay. Di kasi ako ma-explore sa Pilipinas, dahil kainan.
Na ano ko daw? Na ano ko rin?
Pansin mo, di?
Pansin ko.
Di pa ako nakakain sa Max. Maxis?
Yeah,
Di pa ako nakakain dun, guys. Kenny Rogers, hindi pa ako nakakain dun. Jollibee lang.
McDonald's dahil.
Jollibee at McDo. At saka KFC, yun lang kami lagi. Ito na, guys. So, ito, maluluto na to dito.
I can put my
Maluluto na to dito. Ayan. Ay, nice siya kasi ano, manipis yung ano, beef. Ah, okay. So, yan, naluluto na siya, guys. Ayan. Pero yung ano, luto na. Tapos it comes with a sauce. This looks really good. Gusto ko ma-sure na maluto siya, walang pink. Ayan. Ay, nandito na pala si Kat. Si Nin. Dun si Baby B, kumakain. Si ano, ay, nandito nga pala din po mga kaibigan si Elia. Hindi lang siya nag-ano.
Wala lang, kunya hindi
Wala
na siya
lang.
kasali lagi.
Parang wala lang siya, pero nandyan siya. Yan. Sabi ni Mark, sobrang sarap daw niyan. Ay, mini-mix!
Sobrang dito talaga ako.
Dito kami sa 48 flavors. Gelato siya, guys. Gusto nila mag-ice cream. Go get ice cream if you want. Okay. Dito lang yung pepper lunch, oh. Malapit lang. Sinakat nag-ice cream din eh. Mag-ice cream ka?
No.
Okay. Good. Bahay na pala kami, guys. Nakalimutan ko kayo ng slide. Are you watching that, babe? Thank you. Yeah. Naglinis ako. And magliligpit lang ako. Ito, oh. Ito yung nakakainis. Yung deep fryer. Kapag time na nalinisan siya, ano niya, hard work. It's hard work. We're getting rid of this. So, itatapon na namin yan. And then, into the new. Magliligpit lang muna ako, guys. Tapos na siya, nahugasan na siya. So, yung iba na lang kailangan ilagay sa drying rack para ma-dry. So, let's do that. Allah, I don't like it. It's black.
What's black?
The cord. The other one's white. Timing na timing guys, simula na yung aming show. So, panoorin lang namin yun. Guys, it's a really productive night. Kakatanggal ko lang ng mask ko. Natapos ko na din to hugasan yung aming deep fryer. Nakakaloka. And I also painted my nails. My toenails. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ginagamit ko ha. Kasi ito na yung ginagamit ko lagi guys. As in lagi talaga. Ever since na nag-start ako gamitin to. Nandito na si Dan. Tumakbo kasi siya. Hi babe! F-U-N Lacquer. F-U-N Lacquer. Galing to kay Nice. Thank you, Nice. As in, ito na talaga yung lagi kong ginagamit. The shade is... Wala, hindi ko alam kung ano yung shade, guys. Pero ganyan siya, o parang gold siya. Sa lahat kasi na nagamit ko sa toes ko, ito yung pinaka-long lasting. Lalo na, lagi na ako nagko-close shoes. So, ito na lang lagi yung ginagamit ko kasi mas maganda talaga siya. Mas long lasting siya. Anyway, meron pa akong mga gagawin. Mag-edit pa ako and all that. And then... yeah, yun lang. Close ko na itong vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.